Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to draw a butterfly with line patterns inside the wings. I'm going to draw this on scratch paper, but you should remember that before you do scratch paper you should always practice first on regular paper, because if you make a mistake on the scratch paper you cannot erase it. So I have my scratching tool, which is just a piece of stick that's been sharpened like a pencil, but there's no pencil on the inside. And I've got my scratch paper. I'm holding the scratch paper the short way. I feel like that works best for a butterfly. So I'm going to start on the top, close to the middle, as close as I can. I'm going to draw a circle for my butterfly's head and a long, skinny oval for my butterfly's body. Notice how I am holding my scratching tool on a slanted angle, not straight up and down. If I hold it straight up and down, it gives a horrible squeaky sound. I also have something underneath, like an old notebook or your art folder would be good, and that will cushion a little bit. It helps when you're scratching away. For the wings, I'm going to start at the top of the body and draw the top half of the wing. And then in the middle, I'll start down here and draw the bottom half of the wing. Okay, notice how the wings go almost all the way to the edge of the paper. I want my butterfly to be really big so that people can see all the wonderful line patterns inside the wings. Now on this side, I'll do my best to get them to match, because a butterfly's wings are symmetrical. Symmetrical means that they're the same. Okay, now inside my butterfly wings I can draw any kind of shapes that I want. I want my shapes to be taking up most of the wing itself. So I want a nice big shape here maybe, only leaving a little bit of space between the edge of the wing and the shape itself. Maybe I can draw another shape going in this direction, another shape going in that direction. You can add whatever shapes you want. I'm going to do teardrops on the top, and I'll do a different shape on the bottom. Again, trying to make my shapes match on the right and on the left. Okay. On the bottom, you can add, again, any shapes you want. It doesn't have to be a name for the shape, it could just be whatever shape you want, whatever fits. Could even be a wavy looking shape. It's called an organic shape. It doesn't really have a name. It doesn't have perfect edges or angles. Okay, now that I'm done drawing the wings, I could start drawing the lines on the inside. For the face, I like to draw 2 curved lines for the eye, a big curved line for the smile, maybe some cheek curve lines there. Oops. And then 2 little lines for the nose. some antennas. And now I could fill in the shapes with lots of different lines. So it's very important, whatever you do on one side, you do the same thing on the other. So if I do a zigzag line going around, I have to do a zigzag line going around on this side. You can fill whatever kind of line patterns you want inside your butterfly. And if your butterflies look different from mine, that's okay. You just do your best. It's important to practice and have fun with it. Thank you, boys and girls.